Hello guys, Little Star here today, and I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Target exclusive Blacklight Spider-Man. Here's a close-up of the front of the box. I do like these black boxes with the kind of galaxy background to them. Here's the side. And the back. It's very colourful at the back. And here are the other ones that you can get of this set. And here's the other side. Right guys, let's unbox this. Right guys, and here is Spider-Man. I do like the stance that he has, the action pose. It's very nice. And the colours are very bright, definitely pops. It's very animatic, the paintwork. And if you do have LED black lights, it does pretty much glow. It is a bobblehead as well. Alright guys, that's the Target exclusive Blacklight Spider-Man. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you.